For months, the AI community has been buzzing, guessing when the next big model would appear and speculating about what groundbreaking abilities it might bring. That wait has now ended. GPT-5 is here, and after extensive testing, we can confidently say it's not simply faster or more intelligent, it feels like working with an actual creative partner. In this detailed overview, we'll break down why this might be the most impactful AI release to date. Programming has always been a benchmark for AI's usefulness. While earlier versions could handle basic snippets or help debug small issues, we wanted to see if GPT-5 could manage an entire software project without us having to write a single line. The process began before any code was written. GPT-5 first created a comprehensive project plan outlining the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python backend, and even the database schema. From there, it built an organized file structure containing functional code for every component, including scripts to configure the database. This isn't just outputting text, it's delivering fully structured, ready-to-run projects that feel like they've been assembled by a team of developers. We decided to test its creative capabilities by giving it a challenging prompt: produce a complete interactive website featuring games, quizzes, and audio elements. The outcome was a clean, user-friendly web application with an integrated progress tracking dashboard, interactive flashcards, multiple quizzes, and even a mouse and cheese game rendered on an HTML canvas that played French vocabulary words aloud. GPT-5 not only understood the overall creative goal, it linked multiple features into a single cohesive experience without breaking functionality. Then we pushed further. Could GPT-5 create a professional-level 3D game, something that normally takes an experienced development team weeks to build? Initially, there were some setbacks. The code it produced had reference and type errors, and although we asked it to correct them, not all were resolved. This raises an interesting point. It's possible that some polished demo footage shown in promotional materials might have had a bit of post-editing help. But when the system did work, the results were impressive. A richly atmospheric Three.js scene, complete with a detailed castle, rolling fog effects, cinematic camera movements, and a fully playable minigame inside. It's evidence that large-scale world-building is no longer an exclusive skill of professional programmers. On the creative media side, GPT-5's capabilities were just as striking. Our first request was, create a photorealistic image of a vintage library on Mars, with shelves dusted in red soil, visible through a domed window. The resulting image was breathtaking, meticulously detailed, with rich colors and convincing lighting. For more practical use cases, we provided GPT-5 with a large corporate dataset. In seconds, it produced a sleek Power BI-style dashboard displaying key sales indicators. But it went beyond just showing numbers. We could ask natural language questions like, why did sales drop in Europe last quarter? And receive instant, insightful responses. It not only identified the cause, a dip in one specific product category, but it also presented the reasoning clearly, highlighting the relevant figures and trends. This level of instant data interpretation could save hours of manual analysis for businesses. We also explored GPT-5's research potential. In a simulated test, we uploaded the equivalent of thousands of scientific papers, clinical trial summaries, and genomic datasets. Instead of simply summarizing the material, GPT-5 synthesized insights across all sources. It produced 3 well-reasoned scientific hypotheses, each supported by multiple references. Crucially, every claim was directly linked back to the original source, ensuring transparency and traceability. For researchers, this could be a transformative tool for accelerating discovery and hypothesis generation. At the moment, GPT-5 is accessible in the free generation, complex projects, and deep analytical tasks. Even with those limitations, it represents a milestone in AI development. By merging advanced coding, creative design, interactive media generation, business intelligence, and research synthesis into a single conversational system, it unlocks possibilities that were previously reserved for teams of specialists. The most exciting part? This capability is now available to anyone who can type a prompt. The question isn't whether it will change how we work, it's how you'll choose to use it.